It's time to replace the pool net. Now, I'll be honest, I am 2 months shy of 3 years on this pool net, and it would have kept living longer, except one of my children basically ran it into the ground and just fell on it, and so that it broke. I think it could have easily made it through the 3rd summer and into the 4th, but life happens, it's okay. This is the upgrade, and they say it's heavy duty, and I want to emphasize a few things because I really do believe it is heavy duty. So here's the things that I love the most. If you look closely, this is reinforced with an aluminum structure underneath this entire part. So it is very strong in comparison to my last one, and I like this one. I like this one a lot. It's good, it's lightweight. This is definitely heavier duty, so I appreciate that. The netting is double layer mesh. That's also really good. Now, if you look at this old netting, I have 1 hole in it after 3 years. So we obviously caught it probably on the barbed wire fence just beyond here where we keep it. So it was our fault, but it's held up pretty well. But this one has double, and that's going to be really nice. One of the things that people aren't going to spotlight, but I really like, is this connector right here is now plastic. Right there. This one's plastic. This one's plastic. On the old model, plastic, and this was a little metal rod. And after about, I would say 2 years, it just rusted off because I've got a saltwater pool, and so that salt just rusted that away. No big deal. I just ran a zip tie through it, and it's lasted good. But now that is solved, so I'm really excited about that. So what else do I like about it? This still has that really sharp edge to it. And I want to remind you, if it's ever bowed one way or the other, and it's not picking up and it's just going right over something, just take it with your hands. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Take it with your hands and just give it a bend and push it down or up and get it flat, and you'll look at it and just lay it next to the ground. And if it lays flat and flush, then it's good to go. If it's not, just give it a little bend, and you'll bend it one time and you'll never have to do it again. So anyway, this is heavy duty. I mean, it feels great. Now, I have nothing in my pool to clean because we keep a clean pool. But just feeling it going through the water, feels roughly the same. Ooh, look at that. There's a tab on the back. You can grab that when you're emptying, I bet. That is a nice little feature. I've never had that before. So feels good going through the water, but it has a little bit more weight to it, and I'm fine with that. Very nice. What else? Let's see. There's a little something on the ground there. Let me see if I can scoop it up. Get it? Yep. Got it. Anyway, it's a good net. I'm a fan, liking it. Sepetrel, like I said, this last one lasted for 2 months shy of 3 years. I think this one's going to last just as long, if not longer, because it is heavy duty. But again, that was not a bad one. I liked that until we abused it. So rest in peace, net. Welcome to the family net.